This to me is one of the greatest finishing tools that a barber or anybody at home cutting their hair, doing fades should have, right? It's the Wahl Single Foil Shaver, guys. Now this right there is a banger because for a clean, smooth, bold fade right there, right? You need this. I mean, I've got a lot of shavers, right? I've got the Wahl Li right there. I've got the Wahl Li, right? Which is like a budget option. And then I've got the popbarbers, right? Which is a banger also. Get straight to the point with the cutting, right? Really smooth, really easy, right? But the best to me is still this. This is the great finishing tool, guys. The reason why that is because first of all, ergonomics is behind the ears and underneath the neckline, just underneath the neckline and stuff. You know, really easy because of the shape, right? Because this is a single foil shaver and it's really small. And also because the ergonomics, really easy to maneuver with, you know, really light also. It's not bulky like the other shavers. You know what I mean? So this right there is a must-have finishing tool, guys. Also, it's not irritable to the skin as much as the other shavers that I've experienced. So if that's a plus for you, just take the 2 cents out of that. But yeah, that's another one. So it seems to be like a little bit better for sensitive skin. I mean, to be honest, when it comes to sensitive skin, I had the most sensitive skin. I mean, you know, had the most sensitive skin, but what happened is, as you keep giving yourself, as you keep shaving it all the time, more often, your skin gets used to the shaving, right? So then you stop getting razor bumps. From my experience, that is. I don't know about other people, but that's from my experience. But yeah, by the time when I bought it, it was about $40. Now it's gone up to $35, guys. Yeah. So the power of this, it's a really powerful shaver, right? But not that powerful, actually. It's not that powerful, but for finishing, it's great. For giving skin fades, awesome. For helping with your fades, great. I mean, this one right there has really served the purpose and has really helped me in my haircuts. So yeah, we've all really done a good job on this product right there. I just want to big them up for this. This is awesome. And now the timing on this, ever since I charged it only once, and I've used it about 5-6 times in between 5 to 10 minutes. I ain't even give it a charge yet, to be honest. It's still working. So yeah, that's a banger, man. And then you got the charging option right there. Underneath, what else you've got? Made that of plastic, guys. Made that of plastic. Yeah, so really it's got rubbery feel, rubbery plasticky feel to the touch. You know what I mean? So yeah, guys, but the best thing about this really and truly is the ergonomics. You know what I mean? Because that's one thing about me when I'm doing haircuts, when I'm doing self cuts as well. I like to be quick, and I like to make my haircut as easy as possible, right? Performance-wise, I like it to be as easy as possible and as fast as possible. And this tool helps you do that. You know what I mean? It's just like my last video with the Keme clippers. The reason why I like them is not because that's the only clippers that I have. Right? It's just like this, not the only shaver that I have, but it's just the performance is better, right? That's the reason why I love them. I love this. That's the reason why I make reviews about these kind of products, because they supersede certain other products, right? And they're better than certain other products. You know what I mean? This is it, guys, on this foil shaver. Like, share, and subscribe for more. DJ the Creative. I'll catch you guys later. God bless.